This is the Tukad Madi site in Denpasar, just near the airport. This was a project taken on by SPS after problems with sewerage and flooding. You can see the structure, how it was installed here, and how environmentally friendly it is. The pavements match the landscape. It's an excellent piece of construction, and in a few moments we'll be talking to some engineers from the university. Outstanding effort here by SPS. Okay, here we are at Tukad Mati in Denpasar, Bali. I've got with me Mr. Ade from the university here in Bali. He's a structural engineer, and also Mr. Dodi, who is a geotechnical engineer. Now this structure, as you can see behind us, was started in March 2015 and took around 7 months to complete. Mr. Ade, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. And the amount of material used was around 1,100 metres, I believe.
More or less.
Yeah, more or less. And you were here supervising a lot of the time with the installation of this.
Yeah.
I think this river here has a lot of problems in the wet season with a lot of flooding, a lot of garbage and sewage coming through. So there were difficulties with doing this SPS structure here. But I think, have you got any comments about at the start when there were problems with the...
Yeah, I think we did most of them, of course, yeah. And then the problem is when we start with the design.
Yes.
Which is like a quite new system what we introduced to people here, including the government. There is a bit shocking. This is a new system.
Right.
And suddenly we produce things coming from the pattern that probably it's working, and then we try to prove that. We try to produce the concrete itself, the panel, and then we try to put the system like the cable inside, the tension cable, and then we fill it with the quite good material inside, and then make a compaction inside.
Yep.
And then suddenly we've got the good quality of the access route here, which is more or less like the retaining wall. And then about the shipment, we try to produce the panel, which is quite take time, because the system is new. Then the labor is still need to getting on with this thing. And then suddenly when we got the installment, start with the typical one, and then just produce quite quick.
Yeah.
And then within 7 months, it is like you see here.
Exactly. It's a new concept for everyone, and I guess it took a lot of understanding and people to know how the concept. But it looks great to us, and I mean it's eliminated these problems here. Mr. Dodi, also from the university, do you have any comments about this structure and when it was installed?
Yeah. From my point of view, in a geotechnical engineer, the soil here is not that strong enough. I mean, it's soft soils, and with this kind of structures, we don't really need a foundation, because this structure become a foundation for itself. So it's really easy to install.
So it's like part of the earth itself.
It's strong itself. And also, like Ade said, that we need a certain kind of material, at least 13 kilonewton per meter cubic, the unit weight of the soil. So that's the basic things. We can use that kind of soil to as a fill material for these systems. So the key now is do the compaction and another compaction for to make sure that
just
we
making sure it's solid.
Making sure it'll settle down. So it's simple. You don't need a certain soil improvement or something like that.
Correct. Yeah, I think that's the unique thing about SPS is using the soil around you and filling it back in and making it like a container, and the structure is so strong.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's a great project. There's a lot more projects going on around Indonesia. We've been to a couple. Gembarano, I've been there with you, Dodi, and it's very impressive. I mean, it's working throughout Indonesia. It's an amazing thing, this SPS. And I mean, it's not only rivers, but it can be installed on coastlines to prevent coastal erosion, so that's a great thing. Well, gentlemen, thanks for your time. Appreciate your, and you should be proud of your efforts here, because it's a great, you know, even the walkways here just look beautiful for everyone. It makes the environment very good.
Yeah, you might see the differences between the past and
Before and after.
Yeah, and see how different it all turns out, so that's great. All right, gentlemen, thank you very much.
Right, thank you very
Appreciate it.